5 misconceptions about the universe debunked. The universe is a massive, possibly infinite space full of mysteries. However, it's also full of misinformation. Many common misconceptions about the universe are even taught in schools. These could stem from a lack of understanding, poor communication by scientists, or misinterpretation of facts by the public. Sometimes, new data contradicts old beliefs, but the public doesn't always catch up. From black holes to the center of the universe, let's look at 5 of these misconceptions. Misconception 1. Most stars in the night sky are already dead. Many people believe that most of the stars we see in the night sky have already died. They think we're seeing the light from stars that exploded long ago. This idea is sometimes even taught in schools. But is it true? While it's technically possible, it's very unlikely. The stars we see with the naked eye are relatively close, within our own galaxy. On average, these stars are about 1,000 light-years away. The farthest star we can see without a telescope is about 16,000 light-years away, but it's barely visible. Stars live a long time, usually between 50 million to 20 billion years. Even if every visible star only lived for 50 million years, the time it takes their light to reach us is just a tiny fraction of their lifespan. This means it's highly unlikely that any of the stars we see in the night sky have died yet. Misconception 2. Earth is closest to the sun in summer. Another common belief is that Earth is closest to the sun in summer and farthest away in winter. This seems to make sense because summer is hot and winter is cold. But if this were true, it would mean half the planet is wrong, since it's summer in one hemisphere when it's winter in the other. In reality, Earth is closest to the sun, called perihelion, in early January, and farthest from the sun, called aphelion, in early July. The difference in distance is about 5 million kilometers, or about 3% of our total distance from the sun. This isn't enough to cause the seasons. Instead, the seasons are caused by Earth's tilt. Our planet is tilted at 23.5 degrees, so one hemisphere gets more direct sunlight at a time, causing summer, while the other gets less, causing winter. Misconception number 3. Earth is the center of the universe. Some people think that Earth is the center of the universe. This belief comes from the fact that we can see the same distance in all directions, making Earth appear to be at the center of the observable universe. However, this is not true in a larger sense. The observable universe is just the part we can see, which extends 46.1 billion light-years in all directions. Beyond this, there's the causal universe, the maximum area that could have any effect on us. And beyond that is the entire universe, which we assume extends far beyond what we can see, possibly to infinity. So, Earth isn't the center of the entire universe. It only seems that way because we can observe equal distances in all directions from our point of view. Misconception 4. Black holes suck everything in. Black holes are often thought of as cosmic monsters that suck in everything around them. While it's true that not even light can escape a black hole, they are mostly harmless. Stellar black holes, the most common type, are only about 16 kilometers in diameter. They have a strong gravitational pull, but only within a small area called the event horizon. The dangerous zone around a black hole is tiny compared to other celestial bodies. Objects don't get sucked into black holes, they fall in due to gravity. It's actually very difficult to fall into a black hole. Most objects near a black hole end up in an orbit around it, much like how planets orbit stars. This makes black holes relatively safe compared to other cosmic objects. Misconception number 5. There's no sound in space. It's a popular belief that space is completely silent because there are no particles to carry sound. While this is mostly true for the vast emptiness of space, there are exceptions. For example, the Perseus galaxy cluster has a cloud of gas dense enough to carry sound. In 2022, NASA recreated the sound waves from a supermassive black hole in this cluster. Although these sounds were adjusted to be within human hearing range, they are real sounds from space. So, while space is generally silent, there are places where sound can travel. The universe is full of fascinating facts and mysteries. Understanding the truth behind these common misconceptions helps us appreciate the cosmos even more. Thank you for joining us on this journey through some of the most common misconceptions about the universe. We hope you found these insights both enlightening and intriguing. The cosmos is a vast, mysterious place, and there's always more to learn and explore. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating facts about our universe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to KM Celestial Journey. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us continue to bring you quality content about the wonders of space. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.